Hi guys, this is Prajwal and me playing Gangster Vegas. In today's video, I'm going to review of this chopper guys, which is a helicopter, which is a police chopper. It looks like this guys. Let us go ahead and ride this thing. This is actually very fast guys. It's very fast. Let us go and destroy some things guys and see what is the power of this thing. Yeah guys, let us find some car. Yeah guys. Yeah guys, I found something guys. It is aiming. I don't know what is it. Why are the people running and what are they doing guys? This is actually annoying. Let us kill all of them. Nice. It is really very powerful guys. Let us try to harm a vehicle. Let us find a vehicle guys. Today there are no vehicles on the street. Dishka. Yeah guys, let us take this chopper to the army base. To test any vehicle, is it a good or a bad vehicle, you need to take it to the army base guys. That is the only one method in which you can test. Now we are going to the army base. Yeah guys, before that let me show you my vehicle and the gun. Okay. Oh guys. I need to be careful while landing because this is very fast vehicle. Yeah guys, I have a sniper rifle in my hand. Yeah guys, we can buy that not so minigun in the shop, right? Yeah guys, it is the same gun for this. See guys, this is a not so minigun. See guys, it is really cool. Now let us go ahead and take this to the military base. See guys, why am I running? Oh. Why am I running if I press the door symbol? You girl? What's wrong with you? I am going to blast you. Tata, bye, see you. What the hell guys? Why all are just crashing into me? See? I don't know why. Let us find some vehicle to destroy guys. Oh yeah guys, we got that neon crystal. Oh, I made a review on it. You can go and find it guys. Let us just destroy this vehicle. It has a very good health. Oh guys, so fast it destroyed guys. Oh my gosh, it's a very powerful machine gun fit into it guys. Unbelievable. This is very powerful guys. I'm not joking. Let us get some stars. Give me stars, bro. What? Today, I got stars. There's no one in the military base. See the map guys, it's only me alone. Wow, I captured military base. Who are those irritating cats? Now let us see how can we easily get escaped from the military base. Guys, see guys, already easily the stars are blinking. Wow, which is pretty awesome guys. Wow. See the stars guys. I'm going to escape military now. Wow. Super guys, super. Let us go near the chop shop and let us see how does chop shop give us. How much does he give for selling this vehicle? Guys, we escaped from the military. Whoa. This goes in a very high speed guys. You can ride this guys. It's very good and it is cheap too. Whoa. What's happening? He gives us only 5,000. No guys, never. I'm not going to sell this vehicle to Carl. No guys, no. I'll only keep it. Why should I sell this to him? That only 5,000 guys. It is very cheap. We found this Dash Cup series. It has destroyed. It has the highest health ever. Yeah. Now the Dash Cup series, it aims all the other cars except the luxury cars. Yes. See guys, not even one clip it destroys it. Is it aiming it? Is the bullet shooting them? No guys, I don't think so. I was shooting this bike from that time. Guys, I'm not able to shoot that luxury vehicle. I don't know why. Yeah guys, you can buy this vehicle. This is a very good vehicle guys. Yeah guys, for this video only this much. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. Bye guys.